can't believe YouTube has again changed. Just a few months ago, I made a video on how to find saved playlists, and one of the viewers just made a comment saying that the saved playlists don't appear on the side panel anymore. So let's find the new place of the saved playlists. Click on the hamburger icon in here to expand the side panel. Now here you could see the categories have changed. YouTube doesn't anymore show your playlists in here, and it has changed library into playlists. So to access playlists, click on playlists, and here you should be able to see all your playlists. They are arranged according to recently added. The saved playlists are the ones that has got the channel name underneath the name of the saved playlist. For example, Huberman Lab Clips is the saved playlist of the channel Huberman Lab Clips, and your own playlists have got either public or private underneath the name of the playlist. By clicking on recently added and then selecting A-Z, you could change the playlists to be arranged from A to Z. Unfortunately, YouTube doesn't have a different section just for saved playlists, which it used to have some years ago. And I think it was a very useful feature that YouTube took away. I hope this video helped you to find your saved playlists. If it did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you still have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.